Hey guys, Stacy here. Welcome to my shop, Miller's Woodworking. It's my garage. I'm at a different area today because I'm storing a bunch of things for a trade show my company is going to be doing. So, a little different today. So I want to talk about a DeWalt 735 planer, the DW735. I got it from Woodcraft. It is a combo deal with the stand, the extra blades, and the in-feed and out-feed table. I don't know if I needed it, but I've wanted one for years, and I keep thinking it's too expensive. And every year they go up, and I think, God, I wish I had bought it last year. And this year they had this combination on a pretty good price. Woodcraft, I love that store. And I went ahead and pulled the trigger and bought it. So this is a video of the unboxing and the assembly, and hope you enjoy it. Okay, so this is a DeWalt DW735 planer. This is the stand for my new planer, and I'm going to get this out. This is the Bessie razor knife. Great investment. I think they're $25. Okay. Obviously I have this upside down. So let's take everything out of here. So here the stand is starting to take shape. Okay, so here's the stand, and it's ready for the planer at this point. Alright, let's get this baby opened up. Sorry if you hear anything, my girlfriend texts me, and she's pretty damn special, so. Okay, so there the unit is. This is one of the in-feed, out-feed tables. They're really easy to put on, just so you know. And geez, I'm just really happy with this unit so far. Well, hey guys, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. And we shall see you further on down the trail.